Good evening, this is Brant from tradeguild.blogspot.com, and I'm going to do a quick video tutorial on three of the short candidates that I have on the short list tonight and try to give you some perspective as to what I look for in a short. Today was a pretty good day by most measurements of the market. Looked pretty strong today. Of course, we are still within an intermediate downtrend, and this is what we would call a counter-trend rally. Counter-trend rallies tend to be strong, and they move hard, they move fast, and they suck money back in. They get everybody, all the media talking about the new push in the stock market and how rosy things are, and this is the bottom, and this and that and the other, and that's the job of a counter-trend rally. Our job as traders, and technical traders at that, is to recognize that this is within the confines of a downtrend, and it is most likely a counter-trend rally. So that means we want to position ourselves to take advantage of this, and what that means is we're finding shorts that are oversold, and this is relieving that condition. So presumably we're going to find some setups. The first one we're going to take a look at tonight is ACTG, Acacia Research. This is communications equipment, and I do believe earnings on this one are due out tomorrow after the bell. So keep that in mind. I generally don't like trading before earnings, but we're going to take a pop at this one anyway. First up, I have my my screen with my 50-day and my 200-day moving average in the top window, volume in the middle, and I have a MACD histogram in the bottom window with time segmented volume 38, which is a Warden proprietary indicator. The first thing I want to show you is a big day in volume, and what we're going to do is just scroll back. One of the neat features of telechart, we can go back and look at historical data, and I'm going to zoom in on that and look at all that volume. No price appreciation. This is churning, and what that means is distribution at the top here. And we're going to just show you something real quick. Boop. Now we're looking at my accumulation distribution screen, and look at balance of power in the middle window on that day. Look what happened. We switched from this buying more or less to distribution. TSV made a move down towards that zero line. And let's see if I can show you what that move looked like the day before. So that was a pretty heavy move on TSV. You see that? So back to the moving average screen. I'm just going to scroll back out. And the next thing we're going to take a look at briefly is a MACD divergence in price. So here's our price high up here. Actually, let's scroll back one more. Here's a price high. Here's our MACD. Here's the next price high and a lower MACD, and up here we get this price high, we get this MACD, and up here this is very divergent, and that sets us up for a good short opportunity. Also, if you take a look at time segmented volume in the middle window, the red indicator on this day that we were talking about with the big volume, notice it's also moved under the zero line here, which is confirming our suspicions about distribution there. One other thing I want to show you is this 50-day moving average. Look how it functions as support. See that? Now we're expecting, since it's been broken, that it's going to function as resistance. And today, you can see in these candles, if I zoom in on them, look at the long wicks on these candles. These are the wicks up here. And that is a rejection of higher prices above that 50-day moving average. The market was saying, nope, you are not going there. Next up, I have my trend channel, linear regression. And here you can see we've broken out, and it's returned to more or less kiss the channel goodbye on an intraday basis. It doesn't usually happen that quick, but in this case it did. Time segmented volume 18. This is a little different than the last one I showed you, being it's an 18 bar rather than 38. And look how deep that has penetrated. If we look back very quickly, We'll see what kind of lows that's making. That is making lows that haven't been seen. That's making lows that have not been seen. So big lows there. The next screen I want to show you, my confirmation screen that I've been telling you guys about, the 10-day, the 22-day moving average. We have confirmation there. This blue line is ready to cross between these moving averages. That's a custom indicator I have. That's confirmation for me. And lastly, RSI is under this zero line. Zero line's right there. Confirmation once again. What else do we have? Let's take one more look at that distribution. And there we go again. The BOP, I've applied that to the price, and then again we can see time segmented volume back here break underneath its moving average, and has since penetrated quite deeply there. So tomorrow's earnings, I'm expecting that it's not going to be good. I'm thinking about getting in on this, although I'd have to switch over some other positions. We'll see how that works out. But I would take a look at this and make sure you're comfortable trading before earnings. Many people aren't, and I don't blame you. One way to combat that is take a smaller position. You certainly want to honor your stop on a trade like this. If it goes against you and it breaks above that 50-day moving average, you don't want to be in place there. I'm going to just come back with another video because I'm kind of running a little bit short on time here, and we'll cover two more. Okay? Be right back.